Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Jeep Wrangler door, easy method. Grasp the exterior handle firmly with your palm, pull outward while sliding the latch toward you, then swing the door open smoothly. Listen for any resistance and stop if you feel binding, then reposition and try again, checking hinges and latch alignment as you reopen, keeping movement steady to avoid damage or pinched fingers. In this video, I will show how to open Jeep Wrangler door, easy method. Place one hand on the exterior handle and one on the door edge. Pull the handle out and back while guiding the door open with your support hand, maintaining a gentle, steady motion, and pause to clear debris or adjust alignment if the door binds, repeating the action smoothly until the door swings fully open without forcing or abrupt jerks. In this video, I will show how to open Jeep Wrangler door, easy method. Quick recommendation. While you wait for doors and hinges to settle, consider relaxing with a Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere and pairing nicely with outdoor gear. Check the description for the link and current deals, and if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Jeep Wrangler door, easy method. If you encounter stiffness, spray lubricant on hinges and work the door gently until it moves freely. Clean the rubber seal and latch area to remove trapped debris, check alignment visually, and if the door feels heavy or misaligned, have a helper hold it while you open and adjust, taking your time to prevent damage and ensure smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.